sit, seat. Can you hear the difference? Hello, this is the Pronunciation Lounge, where we teach you how to hear, recognise and produce natural pronunciation when speaking English. Hi Beth.
Hi Georgie, what are we looking at today?
Well, today we're going to look at pronouncing E and I. They can cause problems if you get them wrong.
Okay, so E is a long vowel sound in English. It's in words like please, leaf and tea. And I is a short vowel sound and it's in words like bin, lift and hill.
Yes, it can be difficult for speakers of some languages to hear the difference between these sounds. Now, Beth, our bonus tip today is all about sentence stress. We'll talk about that at the end, so make sure you stick around.
Okay, well, let's start with step 1, hearing.
Okay, we're going to listen to two people speaking. Answer this question. Why is the man surprised?
But cycling is cheap.
Cycling? To Edinburgh? It is cheap.
Okay, the man is surprised because she might cycle to Edinburgh from London. That is very far.
Yes, it is very far. This is an episode from our series, The London to Edinburgh Challenge. The woman wants to travel by bike because it's cheap. Here's what she said.
But cycling is cheap.
Okay, so we have a word with a short I sound, is, and a word with a long vowel sound, E, cheap. Listen again.
But cycling is cheap.
So, let's practice, starting with the long E sound. Listen, and for each sentence, choose the word with this long E sound.
I'll make a tea. I'll make a tea. I'll make a tea.
I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now.
What a treat! What a treat! What a treat!
Now listen, and for each sentence, choose the word which has a short I sound. Lift or stairs? Lift or stairs? Lift or stairs?
Go up the hill. Go up the hill. Go up the hill.
They love cricket. They love cricket. They love cricket.
So, now we can hear the E and the I sound. Let's move to step 2, recognising these sounds.
I'm going to say a word. Choose the picture of the word that you hear. Sheep. Chick. Beans.
Okay, your first word was sheep, which has a long E sound. Sheep. Listen to the difference with ship. Ship. Sheep.
Okay, and compare these with cheek and chick and beans and bins.
E and I are common in words with more than one syllable too, like English and Japanese.
Yes, English has 2 short I sounds on both syllables, English, and Japanese has an E in the last syllable, Japanese.
Okay, let's practice with step 3, produce.
So, Georgie, how do we make a long E sound?
You have to open your mouth just a little bit, pull your mouth back like you're smiling, and make the sound long. E. Now listen and repeat. Sheep. cheek, beans.
Now, for a shorter I sound, your mouth needs to be more relaxed. Remember, this is a short sound. I. Listen and repeat. Ship, chick, bins.
And now compare them. I, I. I, I. Cheap, chip. Peak, pick. Leave, live.
Let's practice using some of the sentences we heard earlier. Listen and repeat.
They love cricket.
But cycling is cheap.
Okay, Beth, now it's time for our bonus tip. So, how does sentence stress affect these words?
Okay, well, in English, the most important words for the meaning of a sentence are said loudly and slowly. So, Georgie, if I tell you we leave at 7, then leave and 7 are important, so they are stressed. We leave at 7.
Yes, that means that even though we and leave both have this E sound, leave is said more loudly and slowly than we because it's more important. Listen carefully. We leave at 7.
Okay, and here are some more sentences that you can practice with.
And that's it from us. The clip we heard came from an episode of the London to Edinburgh Challenge, an easy English series for elementary learners. You can watch the whole series on our website. Find the link below.
And watch more episodes of the Pronunciation Lounge on our website too. See you soon!
Bye!